In this video, you'll learn how to change your withdrawal address in Binance. This process is essential for managing your cryptocurrency securely and effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully updated your withdrawal address. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once you are on the homepage, locate and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your account. If prompted, complete any additional security measures such as two-factor authentication to ensure your account's safety. After logging in, direct your attention to the top menu and select Wallet. This option will typically be found near the upper right corner of the page. Once you click on Wallet, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Fiat and Spot to access your asset management. Next, look for the Address Management section within your wallet overview. This area displays all your saved withdrawal addresses. Click on Address Management. To open this section, you will see a list of addresses currently saved for withdrawals. Identify the address you wish to edit and select it. Once you have selected the address, you will see options to either edit or delete the existing address. If you want to modify the address, click on Edit. If you prefer to start fresh, choose the delete option. Should you click Edit, carefully enter the new withdrawal address in the provided field. Additionally, ensure you select the correct network associated with this new address. This step is crucial to avoid any loss of funds. After entering the new withdrawal address, you will need to complete any required two-factor authentication verification to confirm the update. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the verification. Once verified, save the changes to your withdrawal address. It is advisable to double-check the new address before proceeding with any future withdrawals to prevent errors. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.